Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel, Melmii Food and Lifestyle. Come and join me today and let's cook not one but 5 sweet breakfast ideas. I have put together these 5 recipes just for you to be enjoyed on the weekend with family, to show off for your friends or any guests who's coming to your place. These 5 recipes are mostly using oats, but also less sugar, a lot of banana, and less eggs. Come join me and let's cook together. For the first recipe, I'm gonna share with you this blueberry chia pudding with some fresh berries and fruits. Delicious breakfast and under 15 minutes to make. For the ingredients you need 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, 250 milliliters of coconut cream, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of honey, 50 milliliters of blueberry puree or juice, 40 grams of granola, 1 kiwi, 2 to 3 fresh strawberries, handful of blueberries, and handful of pomegranate seeds. For making the chia pudding, divide your chia seeds into 2 bowls and add half of your coconut cream and half of the coconut cream to the other one, and add the blueberry juice. Now separate your honey between the 2 bowls and also separate your vanilla extract. Mix it and put it into the fridge to set about 10 minutes. After 15 minutes in the fridge, your chia pudding should look like this. The chia seeds have expanded and taken in the liquid. Start by putting the layers of chia pudding into the glass, starting with the blueberry, following with the white one. In the layer between, cut some kiwis and just lay them there, and then again cover with the white chia pudding. On top, just use some granola and finish off with fresh raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, and the pomegranate seeds. Also, I have some amaranth sprouts at home. For the decorations, I will add a little bit of this. Secondly, I'm gonna share my favorite recipe of these overnight oats. There are so many different combinations how you can make it, but this cinnamon apple overnight oats is my favorite. To this extra, I just add some also fresh berries and some love. For the ingredients you need 100 grams of rolled oats, 50 grams of dried apricots, 100 grams of apple, 120 milliliters of Greek yogurt, 120 milliliters of apple juice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For making the overnight oats, just mix in together all your ingredients. Mix it well. Place your ready mixture into jars or bowls and put it into the fridge for overnight to use next morning. Next morning, when it's ready, looking like this, you can eat it by itself or you can decorate it like this. Use some nice colorful pitaya, dragon fruit. Use some mango, some strawberries, some raspberries, some blueberries, and enjoy it like this. For the third recipe, I'm gonna share you with my newest recipe, oven baked oat cups with some Greek yogurt and fresh berries. For the ingredients you need: 150 grams of rolled oats, 40 grams of golden raisins, 20 grams of dried cranberries, 70 grams of honey, 50 grams of coconut oil, 2 to 3 strawberries, 2 to 3 goldenberries, 2 to 3 raspberries, 2 to 3 blackberries, some pomegranate seeds and nigella seeds. Start by mixing all your ingredients in a bowl. Add your honey, your vanilla extract, your cinnamon and coconut oil. Mix it all together. Put some coconut oil into the form before placing the mixture there, so it's easier for them to get out later. Start by placing the mixture into the form and pressing very hard. Make sure that they're very tight and compressed together so they don't fall apart later when you're trying to get them out. Place them into the oven for around 15 minutes in 180 degrees until they are nice and golden brown. For decorations, take the cooled oat cups out from the form, put some Greek yogurt in there and cover it with fresh fruits and berries. Make it nice and colorful. You can use whatever fruit you want and what are in season at the moment. And in the final touch, I will add some nigella seeds. Fourth recipe I'm gonna share with you today is breakfast banana split. Yes, we all love the banana split, but look at this delicious way of making all your healthy daily fruits in one portion. And all together it's super easy and fast to make. For the ingredients you need: 2 bananas, 200 grams of Greek yogurt, 80 grams of granola, handful of pecan nuts, coconut flakes, handful of goldenberries, 2 to 3 strawberries, 1 passion fruit, 2 teaspoons of honey, and handful of dried bananas. For the easiest recipe of the banana split, just take your banana, slice it in half, and on the bottom of the plate, just add some granola, on top of the granola, just add a little bit of the Greek yogurt. On top of the yogurt, place your half bananas. Make sure they're nice and sticking together with the yogurt. Add some yogurt in the center as much as possible. And finish it off with all the nice berries. Also add some granola on top of the yogurt. I add a little bit. You can always add more if you like some more. Then I place the nice sweet dried bananas. Then I will chop up some pecan nuts for the crunchiness. Decorate it with your blueberries, some goldenberries. Cut your strawberry like this, and for the nice color also add the passion fruit, and finish it off with some honey and coconut flakes. And finally, the fifth recipe, nice banana pancakes. Only with 3 ingredients you can make these delicious pancakes. On the side, I'm gonna serve them with some chocolate, mango sauce and fresh berries. For the ingredients you need 2 very ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 100 grams of rolled oats, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 50 grams of mango puree, 50 grams of red dragon fruit, 2 to 3 strawberries, 2 to 3 raspberries, 2 to 3 goldenberries, 2 to 3 blackberries, and chocolate. For the pancakes, mash up your very ripe bananas using a fork. And in a bowl, mix together all your ingredients. The bananas, the oats, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, and mix it up very well. Bring your pan to a medium heat and place your pancake mixture on the pan. Cover it up for a few seconds with a lid. The pancake on the pan so they're nice and brown color on both sides. For the plating of the pancakes, I will use some fresh raspberries and strawberries, some nice and colorful pitaya, the goldenberries, blackberries, and on top I will cover it up with nice juicy mango puree and some chocolate pieces. Thank you for watching. Make sure to ring the bell, subscribe, and like the video. Bye!